Here we are, Lad's workshop. We're having major problems at the moment with these indicators because we've changed the indicators from 3 cabled, yeah, to 2 because he wanted to change. Well, the bike's going into a bobber which you've seen on previous videos, and the only trouble we have is when you're using the indicators. Will they fire up now, Andrew, or not? Oh, when we put the indicators on using the old flasher system, that's what happens, and this is what happens. Now the only way we found out, we sussed around this, is to add another relay which you can buy off the internet. But there isn't much in the way of wiring diagram to tell you how we do it now. This bike is a 750 Magnum, yeah? Honda Magna.
Magna.
So what we found out is on this indicator where the relay is fitted, in the middle one, I'll just turn them off. So if you choose the middle connector from the original relay, which can't handle it,
which must be the in for the indicators, and it flashes, it does a flash of speed and then comes back out on this green one here, because this green one here is a permanent live. So we're not using that live or that out, we're just using the in.
Yeah, and then we've got the new flash unit, which is a variable speed flash unit off eBay. How much was that one?
£4.
Right, okay. And so there's nowhere like sort of on eBay that tells you how to wire this up properly. It tells you how to wire them up, but not when you, it says to wire them up each individual indicator separately. Well, if you've already got the wiring loom here, all you got to do is find out the right wire to all 4 indicators, and as you see, okay, and we'll swap sides. Still going, yeah. And there we go. Oh,
Me.
that's right, it's Andrew. Right, 2 seconds. And there we go. So you're thinking, well, no one's going to see that indicator. Yeah, because we've got the seat on the other way round, so we can look at the indicators working, as you can see from the front. There we go. Swap sides, Andrew. Just turn them over. And there we go. That's front and back. And if you want to, if Andrew just turns the variable speed a bit. That's down low, which is too slow. Because in UK, which is if anybody in America is watching this, there is a legal limit, and if they go too fast, it won't pass the MOT. So yeah, I hope this comes some help to anybody. So these variable speed ones, what's it called? Does it say anything on it?
Yeah.
We zoom in.
It's LEDs originally, but mine aren't LEDs. So the earth is to the battery negative.
Yeah, so the wiring is, earth to the battery negative, which is here, which is the chassis.
This is the E here.
Yeah.
The E here. And then the B plus is the battery positive,
which is here. So straight to the battery.
And then the live is, well, the L at the top is for load.
For load. Yeah, and that's going to the centre of the indicator, which was on the original relay, which is this, which is a bit battered. So you can see there's not in any, well, I don't know if that's used to anybody. So there you go. Just thought I'd do a quick vid just to help out anybody who's having the same problem, that these variables do work. Just takes a bit of time. Alright, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Take care and we'll catch you. Okay, so just a bit of an apology here, just to recap. So we're trying to look for a permanent live, but that's no good, because when you turn the ignition off and the indicators kept going on, because that's no good, because that's a permanent live. You want a switch live. So what we found out is on this connector here,
The old switch.
it's the green and white on the old one is a switched live. The one in the middle is the indicator. And the other one on, what's that one then, Jane? We don't know, do we? Is that earth?
I have no idea.
No idea, because it's the three wired circuit. Anyway, so let's recap. The black on this, or the
Earth.
That's the black coming out, going to the earth of the body.
Yep.
The red coming out, which is the B1 plus that's going to a switched live, okay?
In the green and white.
Okay, that's on the green and white on the indicator, which is the old, I think, one. The other one, the green one, which is coming out, is going
to the original grey,
which was the original, which then handles both indicators. So I do apologise for that. So that'll do both indicators. So that one, both indicators. Yep. And then the permanent live, which is the green and white. And there we go. And it's switched now. So if you look at that, there's the indicators. So if you turn the indicators off and then the ignition, or leave the indicators on, watch. That's all it is. So you've got to find a switched live.
That's it, all done.
Done. Okay, thanks. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Bye.